All right, so this is just a brief update to the video that Chris and I did when we created a tattoo shop snapshot inside of LeadBrain, aka GoHighLevel. If you don't know what we're talking about, I'll link the video somewhere here on the screen, probably above somewhere, and in the description. But we went through an entire tutorials, 2 hours long, of creating a snapshot for tattoo shops because we serve tattoo shops nationwide, actually more than nationwide. We also have clients in Canada, United States, all 50 states. So we created just to jog your memory, we created a snapshot that had sort of all this functionality in here, and we really focused on digitizing the consent form and then having a series of automations that kick off after the consent form is filled out. So we send like aftercare instructions, we send the artist feedback form, which reaches out to the artist that tattooed the client and then asks them a few questions like how much money was the tattoo, and then if they want to send a Google review. So we can put those reviews on autopilot. Now, the problem was in the snapshot video we created, we actually didn't create the workflow that supported tracking lifetime value of a client. One of the reasons we ask for the total sale of the tattoo is so that we can track lifetime value of a client inside of GoHighLevel so that the shop owners can take a look at that, or maybe the artists want to take a look at that and then do whatever they want with that data. So the basis of what we want to do is anytime the total sale is updated, which if you don't remember, I'll jog your memory. This is the quick form that we have them fill out. It has a hidden email field in here. Don't worry about that. If you want to know how that works, you can check out the other video. But the artist is going to come in here and say, hey, that person came in and spent $500. And yes, I want to send them a review request. Every time this happens, we want the lifetime value to get updated for that client so that we can track how much clients are spending on average and how much those individual clients are spending. So first thing we need to do, I think we need to create a custom field in here called lifetime value. So if we come in here to settings, fields, I don't think we have one. Cool. So we're going to come into the artist feedback folder. We created that in the last video, and you got total sale. You've got review requested. Chris, do you think it's appropriate to add the lifetime value inside the artist feedback folder, or should we just put it somewhere else?
No, I think that's good because that's where the organization makes sense to me.
Cool. That's going to be a monetary field because we're dealing with numbers and most importantly, money. So we're going to make that monetary. We're going to call it lifetime value and click save. So now that we have that, we need to create a workflow. So I think what I'm going to do is just anytime the total sale field changes, then we're going to trigger a workflow, do a math function, and update the lifetime value. Does that sound, Chris?
Yes.
Cool. All right, so we're going to create it as a tool, and we're going to say lifetime value tracker. And the trigger here is going to be anytime a contact changes. And I'll be a little bit descriptive here. Total sale changed. The filter is going to be, let's see, we're going to search for total sale has changed. And that's all we want. So anytime the total sale has been updated, this workflow is going to be triggered. What we're going to do here is search for, I think it's called math. Yep, math operation. And then we're going to name it update lifetime value. So we're going to select
Lifetime value or total sale.
Yep. Select field. And we're going to add total sale. And we're going to update field lifetime value. So anytime, let's run through this, try to map it out. So anytime the total sale is updated, the lifetime value field is going to be updated with lifetime value plus total sale. Does that sound like that'll work?
Yeah, that makes sense logically.
Okay. Because if we selected total sale here, then we would just have to do total sale plus yeah, we can do it either way, but I think this would work.
Yeah.
Lifetime value plus total sale. That total sale will be changed and it'll update lifetime value. Cool. Yeah. And if it doesn't have the behavior we like, we can always change this in the future. We're going to go ahead and publish that. And that's it. So that will now show up as a field. And like if you come in here to contact and you wanted to see the lifetime value, I have no contacts in here because this is my snapshot account. But I would literally come in here and look at lifetime value. I would add that as a column, and then lifetime value will be present here on the screen, and we can export our contacts with the lifetime value shown. So, Chris, anything on that, or maybe you want to speak to why the lifetime value and the total sale tracking is important for you guys?
Yeah, absolutely. Really, any business that offers a service, there's things you can do, there's offers you can give to your clients or customers once they reach certain thresholds of ad spend, or not ad spend, of actual spend in your business. Let's say you want to set a threshold of like $5,000. When that client reaches $5,000, we can do another automation to automatically send them a gift card or some kind of offer to get them back into the tattoo shop. So this data is super important. If anything else, just tracking lifetime value of a client is important for your own business. But yeah, this automation should make a huge difference in just a simple little solution.
Yeah, and like just a quick like demo. I'm not going to include it in the snapshot, but let's say we wanted to create exactly what Chris is talking about, and that's actually a great idea. Maybe we'll implement it in the future, but let's show a quick demo of how that would work. So like tool, high value customer coupon, and then we can run people through this every time a contact is changed. And let's just say the field is lifetime value. So every time the lifetime value is changed, come in this workflow and do these things. So we'll save that. And then we'll create a statement here that says if, and I'm not going to name stuff and be pretty here, but just to give you the example, if lifetime value is greater than or equal to 5,000. This is why it's important to make those fields numbers. Like if it's money, make it money numbers, or if it's just like numbers like age, make it numbers. So you can do these arithmetic or like math functions on these fields. So we have if lifetime value is greater than 5,000, then let's name this 5,000 club. Then do these things. If it's greater than 5,000, send them an email thanking them or send them an email with a coupon, whatever it is. Send them a text message. If it's under, do nothing. Just go out. And next time this person comes in, their lifetime value gets updated, they come in here again anyway. So that's just a quick example, kind of a bonus to the video. Chris, I think we can implement this in at Dapper Dog like time now.
Yeah, no, I think it's great.
Awesome.
And
All
there's a
right.
lot of other
That's
stuff you
it.
could do. You could offer something different. If you have a client or somebody comes in, even spends $500, you can send them a QR code or a coupon to give to somebody they know and create a whole new client. So lots of options with these things, but the goal is to get people back in or get their friends back in for more business.
Heck yeah, man. That's awesome. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll go ahead and upload it, and then also I'll upload or maybe have like the full snapshot video somewhere on this screen and in the description, so you can review that and see what we're talking about. All right, Chris. Thanks for
Awesome.
that, man. See you later.
See you.